Yo, what's up, home slice? Lucas here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to learn a front flip in only 5 minutes. Part 2. Hey, it's fall, school's here, man. You want to impress the girls in class or heck, your friends at school? The front flip is the move, all right? You just go forward. You don't have to worry about going backwards. I'm going to show you guys how to progress to it without a pad on the ground using the double hand method, all right? But you gotta focus. The first minute, honestly, what you can do is you can run up and practice the block, all right? So the block is basically, you run up to where you're gonna do the front flip. You wanna put your feet out at a 45-degree angle, both feet. Boom, and jump, try to jump off the toes. It's gonna turn that horizontal momentum into vertical momentum. Covered this in the last tutorial, all right? Block jump just looks like this. Jump up. So practice jump, getting it snappy. Also, throw the arms in there too. So when you jump, throw your arms up to give yourself extra height. So block jump, arms. All right, literally, first minute you can do that. I know you can. Okay, let's move on to the more top secret stuff. Minute number 2. Now, if you've seen my turn a 360 into a front flip, slow motion infographic instructional video, then you might know about the hand technique where you put one hand down in front on an angle like this, you walk around it into a 360 like that, and then what you do is you put that hand down and you start kicking the opposite leg over this shoulder more. So in front, and you get a little more aggressive with it. Okay, so in, over, ah. So for that second minute, I want you to actually practice that technique, all right? You can start low with the 360 and then start kicking that opposite leg over. Now for the third minute, here it is, the double hand method, all right? Bro, okay, double hand method, all right? One hand like this, the other hand like this. See? See? Might seem strange at first, but you'll see right here why it is the natural thing to do. All right, so going to this method of progressing that little 360 into more and more over, if you keep this other hand at the side right here, close to your butt, ready to catch, maybe a little behind, watch it. Boom. You wanna keep, you don't wanna go like this or anything, you don't wanna grip the ground, you wanna keep your hands flexed like that. All right, or whatever that's extension, finger extension, whatever, like that, okay? Like this, like that. And just lightly crest the ground with that 360 at first, watch. Yo, you're like, what the absolute heck? Dude, so many people when they first go for that front flip, bam, coccyx. If you're lucky enough not to break your coccyx, that's your butt bone, you're gonna get a bruise probably, or it's just gonna hurt really bad. Nobody wants that. What this hand's gonna do is it's gonna soften the blow, build you the confidence. So minute number 3, keeping this hand up so you can go around and this hand to the side, both elbows slightly bent. Don't lock out, you don't wanna jam. Okay, be ready to catch too. Watch, go like this, boom, up. Go like this, go a little bit more over, boom, up. You see it's starting to naturally grab myself. Watch, ready? Go like this, boom, up, all right? Then you get a little more aggressive with it. You start going straight over this hand, okay? So, bam. See, that's just natural. And then you can start running into it almost. See that? Ho, ho. Yo, you gotta be careful of your fingers, all right? I'm not saying this is a, foolproof method. You can still get hurt, but the reason the double hand method is so special, most people, and how I taught it before, when progressing into a front flip, you start with the front handspring. However, the front handspring, honestly guys, there's a huge half of that feels completely different than the front flip. The double hand method, it feels like you're doing a front flip the entire time. All right, like the feeling is just more front flip feeling. Front handspring, it's like that didn't feel like a front flip at all. It felt like a crappy front handspring. All right, but the double hand method feels like a front flip with like a soft cloud of cushion, and that's your hand. Final minute. You want to get more aggressive with that double hand method, all right? Run up, block, you can throw both arms over, then resume the double hand position. Use this hand to spot the ground, lightly tap it, use the other hand to help you land. Continue to progress that, getting lighter and lighter until you're noticing you're barely using your hands anymore, okay? And you'll be landing on your feet. Key part, when landing the front flip, you don't want to land like this. Try to land in a squat-like position. It also helps to spread the legs a little bit, all right? Boom, like that. Don't, you know, like this. Ooh. I mean, you know, different strokes for different folks. Jesus, video. But for real, wider like that, usually better. Less likely to get injured, all right? More space, better anatomical position for landing with all that impact, all that force. This isn't the right way to learn it, so don't listen to me. But if you want to try it, do so at your own risk. You know what? I bet you'll get it. Maybe, just my opinion. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope it helps you all out. Don't forget to subscribe. I have more videos coming out. Peace. You all have a good one. I'll see you all in the next video.